12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Frostburg, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Gordon around 3:40 p.m. Clearville around 4:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Wemmisburg, Calamon, Hinsman, and Rainsburg. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 per mile markers 154 to 170. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 148 to 159. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Whoa. A double header. Right next to each other.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Allegheny County in western Maryland, northeastern Monroe County in eastern West Virginia until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wanagoning to near Elk Garden, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cumberland, Kaiser, Bel-Air, Lawndale, Fort Ashby, Ridgely, Crescenttown, Potomac Park, Wiley Ford, Raleigh, Flintstone, Old Town, Springett, Patterson Creek, Pleasant Valley, Pinto, Georgetown, Wagoner, Pumpkin Center, and North Branch. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damage and wind, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed.